Hey everybody, you might be able to see all of that cottonwood sitting on the grill. Well, there's a big bunch of it. I just cleaned that yesterday. It's really amazing. If you live in an area, where you get cottonwood, you want to do this. You want to do this often. Just clean this like wool blanket off of your air conditioner condenser. I don't know, actually, is this the evaporator? I'm not sure. Whatever it is, I think it's the condenser. And get all of that off, because that really reduces your air conditioning unit's ability to cool. And you'll find where it really is bad will be in the back, where you can't reach. Way back here. So I'm going to clean this all off and just feel how much heat is being pulled out of the house. We've had 2 90-degree days. Buffalo doesn't see too many 90-degree days. But yeah, we're going to clean all this stuff off. Come back as soon as we're done. It's all set, nice and clean. Get all that dust and all that pollen and all that cottonwood. If you happen to have those trees, it'll ball up like this, but that's okay. You got the majority. I just, like I said, did it yesterday. It does not take long to build up this time of year, and you'll really save a lot of. To save energy, your air conditioner won't have to work as hard. And you lower the temperature of the coolant because it's able to pull more heat out of the house. So just a little tip. So just a quick little tip. Thanks a lot for checking out this video. We'll see everybody in the next one.